Over the past 9 videos, we've covered a lot of ground. Stocks versus real estate, compound interest, index funds, rental property cash flow, Roth IRAs and 401ks, investing your first $1,000, what to do in a market crash, REITs, and the math behind your retirement number. That's a lot of information. And information without a framework is just noise. So in this final video of the series, we're going to do something different. We're going to pull every concept we've covered into one simple 3-part plan. A clear sequential framework that anyone can follow, regardless of where they're starting from. Before we dive in, 2 quick things. First, everything in this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial, investment, legal, or tax advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor before making any major money decisions. Second, this channel uses AI-generated voices and an AI avatar presenter for content creation. We believe in being upfront about that. All right, now let's get into it. Welcome to Compound Yield and Grow, where we make wealth building simple. And this video is the clearest example of that yet. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. We publish a new video every week, and every one is built to give you a clearer picture of your financial future. The wealth plan has 3 parts: foundation, growth, and freedom. Foundation is about getting your financial house in order before you invest, the structural work that makes everything else possible. Growth is about deploying capital into the right assets in the right order and letting time and compounding do most of the work. Freedom is about converting the wealth you've built into the life you want. Whether that's retiring early, working on your own terms, or simply knowing you never have to worry about money again. Foundation has 4 components. Think of them as the ground your entire wealth strategy sits on. Skip them, and everything you build on top is unstable. Component 1. Control your cash flow. Wealth is built on the gap between income and expenses. Before you can invest, you need to know exactly what comes in and what goes out, and actively widen that gap. The simplest system: automate your necessities, automate your savings, spend the rest freely. Component 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Debt at 20% or more is compounding against you just as powerfully as investments compound for you. Credit cards, payday loans, any debt above 7 to 8% should be eliminated before serious investing begins. This is not a suggestion, it is mathematically mandatory. Component 3. Build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Before any money goes into the market, have liquid savings covering 3 to 6 months of essential expenses and a high-yield savings account. Its job is to ensure that when life happens, you never have to sell investments at a bad time to cover it. Component 4. Know your retirement number. What are your expected retirement expenses? What's your target portfolio size? As we covered in video 9, having a specific number makes every other financial decision more focused. Annual expenses minus guaranteed income divided by 0.04 equals your target. Once the foundation is solid, everything in this phase is about getting money into good assets in the right structure and leaving it alone long enough to compound. Step 1. Capture the full employer 401k match. As we covered in video 5, the employer match is a 50 to 100% guaranteed return on your contribution. Always the first move. Step 2. Open and fund a Roth IRA. $7,000 per year invested in a low-cost total market index fund, like VTI or FZROX. Tax-free growth for decades. Set up automatic monthly contributions and let it run. Step 3. Return to the 401k and increase contributions. Once the Roth IRA is funded, direct additional savings back into the 401k. up to the $23,500 annual limit. The combination of a Roth IRA and a maxed 401k is extraordinarily powerful. Step 4. Add real estate if it fits your situation. This can take two forms. Passive exposure. Buy VNQ or another REIT ETF inside your Roth IRA. Instant real estate diversification. Tax-free dividends. Direct property ownership. When you have sufficient capital, a rental property adds leverage, cash flow, and depreciation benefits the stock market can't replicate. Step 5. Open a taxable brokerage account when you've maxed tax-advantaged options. Same funds, VTI, VXUS, VNQ. No complexity needed. The most important principle in the growth phase: consistency beats brilliance. A person who invests $400 per month for 30 years in a boring index fund will almost certainly end up wealthier than someone who makes brilliant stock picks but misses months of contributions chasing the next one. Freedom is where the plan pays off. But converting a portfolio into retirement income has its own decisions. Decision 1. When can you retire? When your portfolio reaches 25 times your annual expenses, minus guaranteed income sources, you have reached financial independence. You could retire. Whether you do is a personal choice, but having the option changes everything. Decision 2. Which accounts do you draw from first? The general framework: draw from taxable accounts first, then traditional tax-deferred accounts, then Roth accounts last, allowing the tax-free Roth money to keep compounding as long as possible. Decision 3. Build income streams, not just a balance. The most resilient retirements combine Social Security, portfolio dividends, rental income if applicable, and selective withdrawals. Multiple streams mean no single failure point. The people who navigate retirement best are those who spent their working years building multiple types of assets, not just one large pile of money, but income-producing assets that keep working even when they stop. Let's put the whole plan on one screen. Foundation: control cash flow. Eliminate high-interest debt. Build emergency fund. Know your retirement number. Growth: get the 401k match. Max the Roth IRA. Fill the 401k. Add real estate. REITs for passive. Direct property for leverage. Open taxable brokerage when ready. Contribute consistently. Never panic sell. Freedom: hit 25 times annual expenses. Sequence withdrawals for tax efficiency. Draw from multiple income streams. Retire on your terms. 3 phases. A lifetime of execution. Quick reminder before we go. Everything in this video was educational only, not financial advice. And this video was produced using AI-generated voices and visuals. Now, if this video gave you a clearer picture of how to build wealth, hit the like button. It takes 1 second and it genuinely helps this channel reach more people. Subscribe to Compound Yield and Grow if you want a new investing or personal finance video every single week. No fluff, just the information that actually helps you build wealth. And drop a comment below. Which of the 3 phases are you in right now? Foundation, growth, or freedom? I read every comment and I genuinely love to hear from you. The next video in this series is the complete wealth blueprint, all 10 concepts in one video.